Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring 10 creative ideas to help you create a cottagecore backyard. Join us as we dive into how you can transform your outdoor space to achieve that cozy rustic vibe. Number 1. Wicker furniture and decor. Integrate wicker elements into your backyard to enhance the rustic and homey feel. Use wicker furniture like chairs, benches, or even entire seating sets to create inviting outdoor spaces. Additionally, consider wicker baskets as decorative plant holders or storage solutions to maintain the charmingly rustic aesthetic. Wicker adds a touch of traditional craftsmanship and natural texture. Number 2. Flagstone Patios. Install a flagstone patio to add rustic charm and natural elegance to your backyard. Flagstone patios provide a durable and attractive surface for outdoor gatherings. Their irregular shapes and earthy colors complement the cottagecore aesthetic, adding rustic charm to your backyard retreat. Flagstone is versatile and can be arranged in various patterns, allowing you to create a unique. Number 3. Pastel color scheme. Incorporate a palette of soft pastels into your backyard design to enhance the cottagecore vibe. Paint fences, garden furniture, and decorative accents in shades of soft pink, mint green, lavender, or baby blue to create a serene and whimsical atmosphere. Pastel colors evoke a sense of nostalgia and tranquility, perfect. Number 4. Pavilions and Gazebos. Create focal points in your backyard with pavilions or gazebos that offer shelter and shade. These structures provide a cozy retreat where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings, rain or shine. Pavilions and gazebos come in a variety of styles and sizes, allowing you to choose one that complements your cottagecore aesthetic. Number 5. Winding pathways. Design meandering pathways that invite leisurely strolls through your garden. Use natural materials like gravel, wood, mulch, or flagstone to create pathways that wind their way around flower beds, shrubs, and other garden features. Winding pathways add visual interest to your backyard and encourage exploration, creating. Number 6. Vintage garden furniture. Add charm and character to your backyard with vintage garden furniture. Look for wrought iron benches, wooden rocking chairs, or rustic bistro sets that evoke a sense of nostalgia and romance. Vintage furniture adds a touch of history to your outdoor space and creates cozy seating areas. Number 7. Hanging lanterns and fairy lights. Create a magical ambience in your backyard with hanging lanterns and fairy lights. String them up in trees, along fences, or around pergolas to cast a soft, enchanting glow that beckons you to linger outdoors long into the evening. Hanging lanterns and fairy lights add warmth and ambience to your backyard, creating a cozy atmosphere. Number 8. Reclaimed decor. Give your backyard a unique and eclectic look by incorporating reclaimed and salvaged materials into your decor. Use old barrels as planters, repurpose wooden crates as shelving, or hang vintage signs and mirrors to add a touch of rustic charm. Reclaimed decor adds texture and personality to your outdoor space, creating a one-of-a-kind. Number 9. Bee-friendly flowers. Attract pollinators to your backyard by planting a variety of bee-friendly flowers. Lavender, foxgloves, coneflowers, and sunflowers are just a few examples of flowers that bees love and that will add color and beauty to your cottagecore garden. Bee-friendly flowers not only support local ecosystems, but also add visual interest. Number 10. DIY birdhouses. Invite feathered friends into your backyard with birdhouses. Get creative with materials like reclaimed wood, tin cans, or ceramic pots to craft charming and whimsical birdhouses that will add a playful touch to your outdoor space. DIY birdhouses provide shelter for birds and add a decorative element to your backyard, creating a welcoming environment for both humans and wildlife.